everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a birthday card. Let's get started. First, fold 16 by 22 cm pink paper into half. Cut the white paper 10 by 15 cm. Stick the white paper on the card with double-sided foam tape. Cut 0.3 by 30 cm green paper strip. Roll the paper strip with Quilling crimper tool. Fold the end of paper strip to create a small ring, just like this. Then wrap the strip around it. Secure each bottom of the coil with glue. And continue roll it until the end of the paper strip. And then push the top of the coil to create a leaf shape. Create 4 leaves. Cut 0.3 by 30 cm pink paper strip and then roll the paper strip to create a loose coil 18 min. Glue the end of the strip. Press the coil to form a marquee shape and then fold it into half. Cut another paper strip 0.3 by 15 cm and wrap it around the coil. This is to create a flower petal. Create 6 petals. Next, stick the leaves on card. And then stick the petals on card. Fold 0.5 by 15 cm white paper into 2 and then cut 1 min apart, just like this. And then roll the strip. This is to create a flower pollen. So create 3 flower pollens. Use the lead marker to paint on the white paper to create a red pollen. Stick the red pollen on card and continue stick the rest of the petal and the leaves on card. Cut 0.3 by 30 cm blue paper strip. Roll the paper strip with a Quilling tool. Create a loose coil 9 mm and secure the end of the paper strip with glue. Pinch one side of the coil to create a teardrop shape. Create 42 teardrops, 28 blue and 15 green. stick the blue teardrops on card. And stick the white pollen on card. So I create the flower outside first. Cut a yellow paper strip 0.3 by 15 centimeters. Roll the paper strip to create a tight coil. Create 3 tight coils. Stick the tight coil on the blue flower. Once the glue is dry, then you can stick the flower on the card later. Next, cut a small piece of paper strip and then glue 5 or 3 teardrops on it. This is to create a leaf. Create 5 leaves and then stick the leaves on the card. Print the word happy birthday on the paper and cut 1.5 by 5 centimeters. Cut pink paper 1.8 by 5.5 centimeters and stick the paper together to create a tag. And then stick the birthday tag on the card with double-sided foam tapes. Fold 14 by 20 centimeter white paper into half. And then stick the white paper inside the card. The card is done now. I hope you like this card. Please feel free to add your comments below. And if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe to this channel for the future notification of the new video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!